welcome back to the channel, you guys. Welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about foam, like battery foam in particular. Okay, a lot of times I use like these preschooler building blocks. I strip them out, and it's got some grip to it for my batteries, so that they stay in position, right? So they don't do that number there, so they don't move around. And I've had a lot of guys over the years asking me where to get this preschooler building block, and I'm going to be honest, I haven't found an exact link for this particular block, because this block was for it was from a preschool that was closed down. My wife found them, brought them home for the kids, and I kind of took them over. But I basically use this block and I strip them out on my table saw, you know. I strip them out thin to go on top or on the bottom of my batteries. I've made thick blocks, like this is for my V2. I put it on top of my battery and it kind of jams with my battery in the top side, just in case my straps come unstrapped. Like it will put pressure on the straps, right? If you have a way to keep it down to prevent the straps from unstrapping, you know. And I just kind of wedged it under my batteries up front. I also use it in my mono hulls. Like I'll put them, like strap it in beside my battery, and that will actually push my weight over, right, a certain amount, as like an offset, CG offset, right? So I use them a lot. I use them like in my UL19. I use Velcro like on the battery, on the actual hull. And I actually use it as a jam foam under the top side, right? So they have lots of applications in RC boats, and their flotation. Like you could put this in here and basically use the damn thing as flotation in your boat, right? So finding the exact link for the block, this 2x4 size block that I use, I haven't, right? So I have an alternative. I was at my local Dollar General here in the States. It's like a little mini grocery store. They have, you know, a little bit of everything, right? So it's a yeah, just a little grocery store basically. And I actually ran across this. This is a gardening kneel pad, a kneeling pad. You know, you set it down so your knees don't get dirty or whatnot on the hard ground. And it was only $1, okay? That's actually what I have right here. This is actually a foam kids floor that we had, and we decided to throw it out, so I cut some of the foam floor padding up for my batteries, right? And that works. It's actually the same exact material as this kneel pad, okay? So you can get the kneel pad in different colors. It's cheap. You can get you a razor or a table saw bandsaw, strip it out. You can actually flip it on its side on the bandsaw and make it thinner, like this, which is actually the size thickness that I like to use. This size right here, right? I have them for different boats, you know. Usually have them marked. Well, the ones that are marked are probably in the boats that they go in. So, yeah, like the Scorpion, I actually use it on the side right here to prevent my battery from shifting around in there, right? You also have yoga blocks, which is a little tougher to process, right? It's a big block. You really need a tall bandsaw to get through this, or the table saw, 2 rips, right? 2 different goes with it. But a yoga block, it actually has a little bit more grip than the foam kneeling mat. But this is all you need. As you can see, it works wonders, right? And these straps are actually the same exact tension. The block really grabs, right? So this is a cheap way to get you a personalized look, right? You can get red, green, whatever color you want. I mean, they got thousands of different types of these things. I mean, I'm sure this isn't the only one you can find, right? I'm not even going to include a link because you guys know how to use the search bar, right? Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. You know, it's basically the same exact thing. You know, yoga blocks are a little more expensive. Two of these was like 26. Thank you, Mino. And this was like $1, right? And it's pretty much ready to go. You may just want to strip it out, you know. But yep, we'll see you guys next time. I just wanted to share this with you. Maybe it found you well. Maybe it helps you out. I use these things. Well, you guys see me every day. I use them in pretty much every boat. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.